Welcome to episode 3 of Get Smart about SmartLink. We all want to become in a better shape and more healthy, so why don't we apply that same mindset for our compressed air equipment? SmartLink recommendations are the mean to get clear insight in your equipment's health situation, as they provide you with clear suggestions on how to improve the overall operating regime of your machine. It will also make sure that the lifetime of your equipment can be extended when the recommendations are clearly followed. Let's take the example of a GA132 VSD having 3 active recommendations: air filter clogging, oil recommendation, and high start ratio. For each recommendation, you will get a clear description of what the issue or smart suggestion is about. As you can see, support can be requested by one click. These 3 smart messages are just a few out of an extensive list. They all allow you to be more proactive, have more peace of mind, and optimize your equipment's health and lifetime. Make your equipment healthy. Register to SmartLink today.